In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for beginners. If you've ever been curious about diving into the world of Grok, then you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step to get you started with this incredible tool, making it an easy and enjoyable process. First, let's open up Google, which many of us know as the go-to search engine for almost everything. Just launch your favorite web browser and head to the Google homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to type Grok into the search bar. This simple search will lead you to the official Grok website, a great starting point for all things Grok related. What you're looking for is the link to the Grok website, usually appearing in the top search results. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the Grok homepage. This is where you'll begin your exploration of Grok's capabilities. The website is designed to be user-friendly, so you'll have no trouble navigating through it to find what you need. Now, once you're on the Grok site, it's time to create a prompt. A prompt is essentially a request or a message that tells Grok what you want it to do. For our starter exercise, we'll create a fun quiz to guess your personality. It's a simple yet effective way to engage with Grok and get a feel for how it operates. You'll find a section where you can enter your prompt. Type in, "Can you make a fun quiz to guess my personality?" This is your chance to test Grok's creative capabilities. After entering your prompt, you're almost done. The last step is clicking the Submit button. This is where the magic happens. By submitting your prompt, you're instructing Grok to process and generate the content you requested. This might take a few moments, but soon enough, you'll have a fresh, intriguing quiz ready to entertain you and potentially shed some light on aspects of your personality. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to getting started with Grok. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with prompts and discover different functionalities of Grok, the more proficient you'll become. Whether it's for creating quizzes, finding answers, or just having fun, Grok is an excellent tool to have in your digital toolbox. Thanks for joining me in this beginner's guide, and I hope you have a fantastic time exploring all that Grok has to offer.